Halong Bay is about 170 kilometers from Hanoi, Vietnam, and it is about 2.5 hours. And we reached Halong Bay, and we got into the our junk boat, the Dragon's Pearl. And as we were four of us, and we got a cabin, and also the meals were served four per table. So and there was a good variety of food, and the menu was given about 7-8 items each, and beautiful views all round. There were many islands everywhere, and very calm and picturesque place, Halong Bay. We had a good time on the boat. The cabins were lovely. The deck was good, very nice, and there were deck chairs which we could just lie down, and also we our the junk boat was well staffed, and we were well looked after. Now we then got past many of the islands and reached a small island where there is we could have a lot of kayaking, and on top of the island there was the Buddha caves, which was very uh, beautiful to look at. There were nice beautiful colors with the because of the lighting, and the caves were very awesome. And so we had spent some time into the Buddha caves, and then got down and did the kayaking. There was the view from the top of the Buddha caves was very beautiful. The kayaking was fun. It was first time I had done kayaking, and I so got with my son, and then it was a calm place, and there was not a single sound around. And if something was to happen, nobody is there to actually rescue you. But so you should be able to swim, and which I couldn't swim. But they had life jackets, and all protection was given. So we went along the then we had went for some more along with the boat, and then we soon we had to arrive. We arrived at a floating village, which is the next day. There was a floating village there around, and they took us around the village and on the boats, and so we had a good understanding of how the life of the people in those villages were. The fruits and vegetables were all brought by boats, and it is worth visiting Halong Bay, and a must for anybody visiting Vietnam. The boat ride was nice. They took us up to the sea there, and we could see the sea from through the cave-like caves. And then we finally had to return back to um, our starting point in Halong Bay. The So there you can see the cave, and from where you can see the other side of the sea. And overall it was a very good trip. You can see the people were wearing masks all around, even though we were not in the coronavirus stage. And Hanoi was everybody used to wear masks, so we were surprised